So we made some improvements so far in the past video. So if I click this, just to let you know, it didn't take much time. It took about roughly about 10 minutes for it to make this improvement. So if I click on a new tab, you'll see what we have here. Not too much, but it's still not exactly what we're looking for. So the page is loading, and we'll have a look at other things we have. It looks like it's not giving me images of like a real looking game features looking a bit too simple. But let's try something else. So we've tried the story mode. Let's try the GT online. Okay. Now, if you see this login page is also part of the architecture. So if you go to this workflow here, so this login page is after the GT online, which we saw earlier. I want to improve this login page. I wanted to use a shared CDN. I wanted to use a nice UI architecture so it can look like nicer than the way it is and give us something, something something a bit more better than that, something a bit that looks a bit more, or just looks different. So I'm trying to use Chat CDN UI. So I will go to the prompt. I just wanted to show you how to be able to work on a particular feature. You can expand more on this. I think if you use I think if you use if you use any kind of workflow you use to be able to target it and also tell the prompt to be able to show you when it makes that correction to show you how it looks like. So I'll say so what is the name of that? Go back to it again. So it's called the login or sign up. So improve the login or sign up page and use the shared CDN UI. Display the login page so that we can see the changes. So you could actually tell the agent it should actually display it when it's finished. So you don't necessarily need to go here. You don't necessarily need to go through the main menu. You could actually tell it just display. Let's have a look at it. So I'll close this. Go back to Replit here. Okay, I'll leave it open so that we can compare. So click on this. So I just use this to make it a bit more simpler, and I believe it's not going to waste time on making any changes. So I think it's getting somewhere. Okay, so we have something we can look at. I think it's almost ready. Okay. Okay, so I think I will pause the video again just in case it takes a bit longer. So I'll pause the video and we'll resume the video we'll resume when the changes have been implemented. So from the last video, we made an improvement to the login screen. So we'll see how it looks like. So I go to new tab. Before I do that, I'll show you the previous one. It's still open here. So this is the way it looked like. So if I go back to my Replit, I click new tab. So this is the splash screen. It's coming up. And I click on GT Online. So you see, it made a change to the login page using the shard CDN UI, which is different from this one. So the idea is for you to be able to just make incremental changes to different features of your application. So we can also have a look at what we had here, the previous prompt, the previous workflow. So you see here, that's it from GT Online to log in to the login and sign up page, online loading. You can make so many changes if you understand what you need. So you'll be able to target a particular feature and make changes that you want there. Remember, this game is the way it looks is because we wanted to create a clone of Grand Theft Auto. So we are not the ones who created Theft Auto. If you've played the game, you know what usually comes after each one. But it's a very, very complex game. I assume that if you want to build an application, it's going to be a bit more simpler. You understand what you're going to see next. So it's going to be easier for you. So the simpler, the better for you. So because we've not, anyway, because we use this simple workflow, it's also easy for us. So with that, to be able to now make any more changes. So yeah, just use this as a simple example. You can expand more on it. If you want me to make more videos or expand this and also show you how it's going to work with other, use this same example with other tools like AO.dev, Loveable, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe, and also um, let me share your thoughts, and also let me know what you think. Cheers. Take care.